The friction effect refers to the way the Earth's surface slows down the wind. As wind moves closer to the ground, it encounters obstacles like trees and buildings and terrain, which creates friction. This friction reduces wind speed and changes direction, particularly in the lowest part of the atmosphere called the boundary layer. Near the Earth's surface, friction causes the wind to slow down. This effect is most noticeable within the first few thousand feet above the ground, where obstacles are more frequent. Think of like where helicopters fly all the time. Friction also causes the wind to change direction, typically reducing the Coriolis force influence. Wind tends to move more directly from high pressure to low pressure with less deflection. There's something called the boundary layer. The friction effect is strongest in the boundary layer, up to about 2,000 feet above the surface, where the surface features disrupt the flow of air. The friction effect is especially important during takeoffs and landings, where the wind conditions are strongly influenced by ground friction. Pilots need to account for reduced wind speeds and shifts in directions near the surface. The friction effect can contribute to wind shear, or sudden change in wind speed and direction, which can be hazardous during ascent or descent. When flying at low altitudes, understanding how friction alters the wind is crucial for maintaining stability and control. If you're ready to get serious about learning how to fly helicopters, head over to 3gheliprep.com. It's like these videos, but way more structured and a lot closer to making you a real pilot. You won't regret it, unless you hate helicopters, in which case I'm not sure why you're even still watching this.